Hello viewers all over the world, welcome to Infodem once again. In this short video I want to show you how to do spot trading on Binance. How to do spot trading on Binance. As you all know that the price of BTC as at today has risen over $41,000. And also if you look at other cryptos, they are rising every day. So it is advisable, or I will advise everyone watching this video to start investing in cryptocurrency. If you don't know how to trade, you can buy and keep it, because it will definitely, and you can see what a unit is today. The same thing happens to all other cryptocurrency. As you can see, is about to hit $42,000 per one. So if you don't know how to buy cryptocurrency, I advise you to watch my video below to see how to buy cryptocurrency for future purposes. But in this video I want to quickly show you how to do spot trading. The first thing you want to do is to deposit money into your account. If you have done that, and if you don't know how to deposit money into your account, the video below in the description box will also tell you how to go about that. If you have done that, if you are depositing Naira, you will need to convert it to USDT for you to be able to do spot trading. And if you are depositing USDT, good for you. You just go ahead and start the spot trading. So right now I want to show you how to convert your Naira to USDT. The easiest way or the fastest way of doing that, you just come up here and type convert, or you see you can type convert. When you type convert, as you can see, you scroll down, you click convert, you scroll down here. So here where you see functions, here you see convert, here trade any coin to any coin, trade any coin to any coin. You click it. If you have done that, you are converting Naira to dollars. So your Naira will be up, then your dollar will be down. From, as you can see it now. Now I want to convert. I have maximum of 29,000 Naira 880 cover here. I want to convert to dollar. Then I will click here and choose USDT. As you can see, if I want to convert my 29,880 Naira, if I want to convert it, it's going to give me $25.67. So that is how to convert. If you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to click preview convert. Okay, for example, I want to buy Shiba. Then I'll click here. The next thing you need to do from here is to come to search and type Shiba. If you don't want to go through the stress of scrolling, you see Shiba to USDT. As you can see Shiba, you click Shiba. You are buying Shiba, USDT to Shiba. So Shiba USDT. As you can see, this is the amount right now. That's the amount right now. So if I want to buy, I have 25.67 USDT. Now if you look at it very well, if I want to buy, I'm going to have 2,668,100 156 units of Shiba. So I want to buy at that price, and as you can see, the price is going up, is coming down, so I want to 892. So right now, the next thing you want to do, if you have gotten the price that you want to buy, you click buy Shiba. Success. Now, the reason why it is called spot trading is because you have already set the price. Then you wait. Immediately the market or the price rises or um, reduce to that amount that I set now, the trade will be automatically executed. Now, if you buy and you want to sell, it's the same thing. You come here, you click sell, and you set the amount that you want to sell there. You can leave it there for days, you can leave it there for weeks. But I'm telling you, immediately the price gets to that point, it will automatically be sold, and the money will be added to your wallet. So that is how to do spot trading. Spot trading is good for people that doesn't want to, waste their time, or that doesn't have enough time to be monitoring the market. You can just set the price down there. Then you go to your office. When you come back, you will notice that you have made profit. So that is how to go about spot trading. So I want to encourage you, if you have not subscribed to InfoDem, kindly do so. Share this video, like this video, and continue investing in cryptocurrency, because that is where the world is going right now. So till I see you in my next video, I say be good.